Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to change screen timeout settings in Windows 11. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you don't want your screen to go in timeout and you want to go and keep it on. Or alternatively, you want it to go in timeout and go off after a certain amount of time to go and change. These come to the bottom of your computer and click on the Windows Start button. Then you can locate the settings. If you can't see them, go and search for them. Now what you need to do is come over to the left into System. Scroll down and find the Ocean Full Power. Then what you want to do is go and find Screen and Sleep on my computer. I've got these two options. Turn off screen after and put device to sleep after. So in this case I'm going to do screen after 5 minutes, and I'll also go and put device to 5 minutes as well. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.